I spent my whole life running around, settling down. I never dreamed I'd be settling down, but something's coming over me. Woman, you have got a hold on me, and the reason just might be you're so good to me. Yeah, somebody's